What is Split Polygon Tool in GIS? The Split Polygon Tool in GIS divides a polygon feature into multiple segments based on specified criteria, enabling precise spatial analysis and customization of geographic datasets. Splitting polygons refines feature boundaries, accurately representing geographic entities or administrative divisions. It allows for spatial analysis, identifying distinct areas, and customization of geographic datasets, enabling diverse applications. Split polygons are utilized for spatial analysis in forestry, urban planning, land use planning, and environmental management. Let me explain you with this an example. I'm demonstrating in MapOG Map Analysis tool. Let's say we want to split the forest, how we can do this, and how it would benefit the forestry management. Open Map Analysis interface. Find Add Upload button in header. Click on Add GIS Data. Provide the country name. Search for forest and add it. Now click on the pencil icon situated right after the Untitled Map text to save the project. In the dialog box, write proper name and description that describe the project accurately, and click on Save Map option. Your project will be saved. We will now use Split Polygon to divide the forest. Click Process Data from header and select Split Polygon to accomplish that. Pick the forest layer in the data selection process. Next, decide which polygon you want to split into desired sections and enter the number of parts. MapOG let us create new layer or update the layer. Select New Layer. The map screen will display your new layer. Rename the layer such that it makes more sense. The utilization of MapOG's Split Polygon tool allows for the efficient division of forest areas, facilitating targeted management practices to enhance sustainability and biodiversity conservation. Thanks for joining this comprehensive guide. Got queries? Contact us at support@mapog.com.